Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel. If you already subscribed, I appreciate you. And tell your friend about it. This this is Okanla. This is a soldering iron that I purchased guys. This is what this comes in the box, just like that. This is soldering iron. Okay, this is the box. This is what's in the box guys. People in China always put this thing in here. They always do that. You just print it. This is the box. This is what it does look like. This is the writing on the box. The front. This is says building will build your life. That's about it guys. Let's open this. This is what it is. It's a soldering iron guys. Okay, let me show you the price of it on Amazon. Let me show you the price guys. This is the one. Okay, this one guys, that's the price. This is what it looked like. I bought mine for this. I bought the orange one. See the orange one? I bought the blue one. Here's the blue one guys. For $25 and change. I bought it yesterday, it arrived today. I bought it yesterday, it arrived today. Okay, that's the one. Now let's see what we have there. This is a little booklet. You can put this on the side. And you got this guy here. So check it out. I'm gonna use it right now, guys. This thing. And you got those and some extra stuff you got in here. The tips. Okay, that's what we have. Now we're gonna see if this thing works, guys. And this is about, I think, 80 volt. Let's look at the thing here, guys. What does it says? This is supposed to be it's a maximum. It's 100 watts. Guys, it says 100 watts. So we're gonna plug it in and see if this thing works. How long it lasts me. So I'm gonna give you an update on this thing in the future. Okay. Let's start working. This is not bad though. This is not bad. It looks strong. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing right here. It looks strong. It looks good. So, guys, this is what I found out in the box. Lifetime warranty. Please activate warranty within 7 days. Okay, they don't give. I don't know how you're gonna activate this because they don't give you a website. They don't give you a website. They don't give you anything. It's activate warranty. I don't know why you're gonna do this. How you can do it. I'll find out in a few seconds. So now let's see what this thing look like, guys. This is the tips. Take this thing off. Okay, we're taking this. This is the tips. Now, if you unscrew this, this is how you're gonna change the tips. And this is the tips. That's what this thing look like. So do not know how long this thing gonna last because this thing is a tips. I think this is probably, I don't know what material is this, guys, but this is what it look like. Okay. Now I'm gonna screw this thing back in and start using it. I'm gonna heat it up, guys. Okay, guys, I'm about to use this. Follow the instruction, guys. It tells you exactly how to use it. Okay, follow the instruction. So I'm gonna plug this, guys, and set up my table and start doing some soldering iron, guys. Guys, I just plug the thing on. It says off. So I believe if you hold it, okay, so I'm at 33 degrees. Okay, this is warming up. This is not bad, guys. It's heating up, guys. I can smell it. You can see the smoke. I saw the smoke, guys. It is working. It's stopping at 350. It's stopped at 350, guys. I can go up. See, you can go up or you can go down. Now, I'll put this thing back there for a while. Now I'm gonna set up my station, guys. Is what I'm gonna do. I have this resin, this electrical wire, soldering wire. It has resin on it. Okay. So I'm gonna solder this. So I'm gonna have this thing like this. Let me set this thing up. Okay, folks. Usually I use some flux to do this. Now I'm gonna see if this thing works without the flux. Let me heat up this thing first, guys. So far so good, guys. It's supposed to be melting, going inside of it. It's supposed to melt. I think this is working, guys. Well, usually when you have the flux in there, it goes inside of it. Okay, let me bring it closer. This is gonna be hot. It is melting. Yeah, it's going inside. My hand's getting heat up, guys. You see my hand? And get more room in here. It is going inside of it. That was the plan. At 300 degrees, this is not bad. This is not bad, guys. Now let's see how long this thing lasts, because usually when I buy this guy, this doesn't last that long. I have several of them keep this is about 100 watts, so let's see how long this thing lasts. Let's do some more on there, guys. I have 2 of them to do. Okay, it seems like it melted pretty quick. Okay. Yep, it works, guys. This thing does this job. You see how it melt? You see how the thing melt? And I don't use resin on this. Oh, sorry. You see how the thing melt, guys? I didn't use resin. You see all of them disappear? They're going inside the thing. That's mean this thing is working. Okay. I think we're good on this one. Okay, I got another one to do, guys. Okay, guys, this is another one I have to do. So I'm gonna use the same way. Okay, I'm gonna use the flux. Trying to do it with the flux. I heat up this thing a little bit first. If it had some flex, it goes quicker. But this thing is already know has flex. Okay. So guys, sorry about that. Try and bring it closer to the camera. See guys, I had a mess in there. See, you went inside of it. See, I had a mess in there. Let me make a mess and show you guys how I correct it by heat it up a little bit more. You see guys, I have a mess in here. You're gonna see everything drop down because it's heated up enough. See everything disappearing guys. It goes inside of it, it sits inside the thing. Guys, this is not bad. It comes for $25. It comes with everything on it. Clean up the tips. I just clean up the tips, guys. Okay, I just clean up the tips. And so let me turn this thing off, guys. How you turn this thing? Press this thing. There we go. It's off. This thing is iron, guys. It's iron. This is not bad. For $25, this is, I don't know. I got this wait and see. Okay? I have several of them like this. They're all gone. So I have this company that I purchased. This guy. This thing is dead. I bought the first one and then I bought another one. Then you see what happened. They're all dead. So, anyway, my friend, this is the end of this video. If don't forget to subscribe, to go to the channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We already done so.